Hello, everyone. This is my review of Random House Clap Your Hands. This is a children's book with a puppet in the middle of it, and you can place your hand in that puppet and move it around while you're reading the book to your kid, or your kid can be playing with it as well. Uh, Makes it kind of interactive a little bit. I'll show you as I put my hand in here. And see, you can move the puppet around like that. And let me open the book so you can see what it looks like inside. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but there you go. And they can play around and enjoy the book. The kids love it. My niece likes it, so I think it's a pretty good book. So I highly recommend it. Hope this review helps.